Now we are going to see about the fourth sum. Find the amount that is left in the student's bank account. Okay. So what are the possibility we are going to see? Then what amount left in the student bank account. So if he has make following transaction in a month, it is for a per month transaction we have. So is the initial balance is at 690 rupees. So initially you are having 690 rupees. Okay. So what they given? Initial amount. Initial balance equal to rupees 690 you have one. Okay. Then what they mention? Deposit of rupees 485. Deposit means you are giving the amount in your account. You are transacting amount in your account. That's why they mention in a plus. So I am depositing. So deposit amount. So deposit amount. How much you are depositing? 485 rupees. Okay. This is your deposit amount. So totally. So deposit means you are giving a amount in your account. Okay. So giving amount in your account. So totally how much you have? So balance in this place. So obviously you are having a balance, right? So if you are adding this much means, so balance, total balance. So total balance you have. So I am depositing this much means I am getting some total balance, right? So deposit means you are getting some amount in your account. So 0 plus 5, 5, 9 plus 8, 17, balance 1, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. This much amount you have in your account. Okay. Then, so what they given? Withdrawal minus of 500. You are taking amount from your account 500 rupees. So you are having a amount in the account. So what do you have? So I am having how much? 1175 rupees I am having. So what they mentioned? Withdrawal 500. So withdrawal. So I am taking amount. With withdrawal means you are taking some amount for your purpose. Rupees, how much you have? 500 ones, tens, 100 only. So withdrawal means you are taking. So you are having a negative sign. In a question they already mentioned negative sign. So what is your balance? So remaining. So what do you have a remaining balance? How much you have? So 5 minus 0, 5, 7 minus 0, 7. So 11. So if you borrow also you are getting 11 alone. So 11 minus 5, 11. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how much you have? 6. So in your account you have a 675. Okay. So you are having a amount. So I have a 675 is your balance. So total balance in your account is, now we are having a some amount. So my total balance is rupees 675. Now you have this much amount, right? Then after that your withdrawal is 350. So this is the first withdrawal, this is second. So after withdrawal, so how much your withdrawal? Rupees 350. Okay. left amount. So my balance amount 5 minus 0 5, 7 minus 5, because I mentioned minus, right? 7 minus 5 2, 6 minus 3 okay. So 324, biggest number that is a positive. So 325 we are having a left amount. Okay, then what they mention, deposit rupees, then deposit rupees 89. So remaining balance you have 325. So balance how much you have? So balance I am getting 325. So deposit, how much you deposit again? 89. Deposit is a positive. 5 plus 9, how much you are getting? 14. Balance 1. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 8, how much? 3 plus 8 11. Balance 1. 1 plus 3 you are getting 4. So 4 and 4 you are having a balance. If another rupees 300 was withdrawn, okay, you are going to withdraw 300 rupees, what would be your balance? So my remaining balance is, so my balance is remaining balance I am having 414. Then what they mention, withdrawing this. So total amount. So you are having a 414. You are having this much amount. You are going to withdrawal 300. Withdraw how much? 300. So withdraw means negative. 4 minus 0 4. 1 minus 0 1. 4 minus 3 and 1 positive. So therefore what they are asking, the amount left in the account, student account, that is how much you have? Rupees 114. This is left out in your account. Okay, so first what they asking, first they mention initially you are having a 690 rupees. First you are depositing, okay, first you are depositing 485 rupees, okay, that's when they mention. So addition, that's why I am adding 1175 rupees. So total balance I am having in this place 1175 rupees. Withdrawing that amount, you are withdrawing 500. From this amount I am taking for 500 for my personal use. Okay, so if you are taking 500 means I am subtracting what is the bank balance, 670. So remaining balance is 75. So what is the total? You don't want to clash this, so that's why I am taking another way. So total balance equal to, I am getting 675, and so after I am withdrawing 350. So left amount is 325. Then balance amount. So what is my left amount? That's my balance. So 325. So what time deposit? The fourth step what they mentioned, 89 rupees I am deposit. So the remaining balance, adding this I am getting 414. So then my total amount, so remaining balance is my total 414. That amount I am withdrawn 300. If another 300 was withdrawn, what would be the balance? So I am having 114. So finally the amount left in the account equal to rupees 114.